Have you ever wondered how people get those amazing reflections inside sunglasses? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so once you log into your Canva account, you're going to go to custom size, and I'm going to choose 3.4 inches. I'm going to go to my left side and do an upload. And I'm going to choose this picture here. And then the next thing guys going to do is I'm going to expand it. I'm going to make his face larger, okay? Bring it down some, bring it to the left some. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to go right back to upload, and I'm going to click on this picture right here. Okay guys, once that's done, we're going to go to apps on the left side, click on it, wait for it to pull up, and we're going to go to the top. We're going to type in image blender. Click on it. Okay, we're going to choose this one right here. All right, and we're going to make sure guys that this picture right here is selected. We're going to click blend selected image. Okay, we're going to click on this one right here, and we're just going to play with it. Okay, just moving around guys, make it a little smaller guys, and then we're going to go to strength. You can either increase it or decrease it. I'm going to decrease it just a little bit. Okay, so guys, once you're done with that, you're going to go to save on the left side and blend selected image. Okay, so guys, when you're done, go to the right corner, click share. We're going to download it as a PNG, and that's pretty much it. So guys, now that you've learned how to add an image right in the lens of glasses, and this simple technique works great for other projects too. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.